Namaskar. You want hair transplant because you want hair on the top of head which makes you happy, and you have lost them and you want them back, and for that hair transplant is needed. So, and certainly you would like that your hair transplant should be successful. Whatever number of hairs are implanted, they should grow all, they should look natural and normal, and you should be happy at the end of the day, which you want. So what are the factors which will make you happy? Means what are the factors which will make or which affects the success of hair transplant? Two major zones. One is the surgeon's factor, another is the patient's factor. Surgeon and surgery means technical factor. You can see lot of my YouTube video. What are the factors? Surgeon related factor, technique related factor. Doctor should be qualified, he should be experienced, his center should have all the standard norms of safety, his technician should be full-timer, and his technician should be well trained and skilled. So these are the things. He should have the best quality of equipments, latest quality of equipments, and safety during the hair transplant. So these you can see my lot of videos which I have made. But today I am going to talk is on the patient's factor, means the factors, your own factor, which can influence the end result of the hair transplant. What are those? I tell you what is hair transplant. Hair transplant is just like a farming. Farming, as a farmer take the seed, he put them in a land, in the earth or in his farm, and then they grow. So to have a good crop, there are the three important things: good quality of seed, and good quality of land, and proper technique of seeding them in the earth, and fertilizers. These are the things which are needed to have a good crop. Exactly the same things you need in the hair transplant. If your seed, means now you will think how we can see the seed. Seeds are inside. Yes, you are right. Seed can be seen by the quality of hair on the donor hair. If you look at the quality of your donor hair, you will find that these hairs are thicker than these hairs, because they goes in miniaturization, but these hair do not. But there are conditions in which these hair also goes in miniaturization or thinning, or less density, or more telogen hair. More than 30% of telogen hair means weak hair or falling hair or very thin hair. If the condition is there, you must find out why it is, and then you find out the cause, you must treat that cause, and then you should go for the transplant. The most common thing what we get in Indian circumstances are the deficiency of the nutrients, trace elements, B12, vitamin D, protein deficiency, and more common in the female is the iron deficiency. If these are deficient, you are taking poor diet, more fasting, more fast foods, then these hairs will become thin, and those hair follicle, although they are permanent, but they are delicate, and they may not able to sustain that ischemia which they suffer during implantation process. Means when you take out the hair follicle and then you transfer them, to during this transfer period, those weak hair may die. Like if you are transferring a very weak baby from one city to another city, there are likely chances that baby may die or may become sick. But if you transfer a healthy baby from one place to another, there are more chances that baby will remain healthy and survive. So similarly, those weak hair follicle not only produce the weak hair, but they may not survive even, so they should be fed well before taking them out. So what are those? So such patient comes to me, I have a look on the donor area, I see to that the density, I see the quality, I see the multifollicular units, all the things if I see and I am happy, then and then I accept the okay, I'll take you for the transplant. But they are surgeons, they may not take, because they may be afraid that you he will lose you. You can go to another surgeon. But although it is very rare, I believe most of the surgeons are good. They will take decision on the basis of scientific criteria, not on the basis of the commerce, or not on the basis that they just want to do it. So, donor hair should be examined. Even you yourself can examine. You see them by putting the hand. You can take the pictures. If you see the density is low, they are very thin, then consult the doctor and follow the treatment. Another important factors are the existing diseases. What are those existing diseases which affect the quality of hair? Like uncontrolled diabetes, which is the most common. So you should first control the diabetes, and HbA1c should be less than 7 or near the 7. My criteria is always keep it either 7 or less than 7, then I say yes. So it is not that you get insulin and you control your sugar in a day or two. No. Sufficient time should be given so that your blood sugar as well as the sugar in the tissue should be within the normal limit. Another thing is a chronic smoker, heavy alcoholic person. Chronic smoker, ye smoking a tobacco causes vasoconstriction, means the narrowing of the blood vessels. So the circulation of the area is reduced, and there are chances of necrosis, means the recipient area skin or donor area skin may get necrosed or they may become black. Smoking is the most common. When you come to my center at Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center, I see to it that 3 weeks before the smoking is being stopped. It is important. I have refused many of the cases. I don't go as per the demand of the patient, I go as per the success of the hair transplant. I'll see that this person who wishes to have hair on the head, he should have the hair. But if it fails, he'll feel bad. And I will also feel bad because I owe to it. So, diabetes should be under control, hypertension should be under control, then thyroid, if problem is there, that should be under control. Then comes to the nutrition, vitamin B12, vitamin D, protein, and in female the serum ferritin, they all should have the normal micronutrient should be there. So I give them these things. If poor hairs are there, then I feed them, correct the vitamins, correct the protein, correct the smoking and all the problems, and then I take. So it is, your factors are as important as the surgeon's factor. Either your surgeon will treat you or you understand and you have healthy diet, happy life, good exercise, good amount of hydration, no smoking, no cold drink, pizza, burger, avoid them, and good protein and vitamin and food supplement you should take in regular diet. If you have any more question, you can call us or you can email us or WhatsApp us. Thank you. Namaskar.